It was a sunny afternoon, and Adam was cleaning his garage. He hadn't opened that old wooden door in months. Dust covered everything, boxes, tools, and old toys from his childhood. In the corner, hidden under a gray cloth, he saw something familiar. He pulled the cloth away and found his old bicycle. It was small, rusty, and missing a bell, but it brought back so many memories. Adam smiled. He remembered how excited he was when his father bought it for him on his 10th birthday. Back then, it was the best gift in the world. He could still hear his father's voice. "Go slow, Adam. Balance is everything." Those words made him laugh softly now. He used to ride that bicycle everywhere, to the park, to his friend's house, even to school. It wasn't just a bike, it was his freedom. Adam ran his hand over the handlebar. He saw a small scratch from the day he fell on the road and cried. His father had picked him up, cleaned his knees, and said, "Falling is how we learn to ride better." That day, Adam got back on the bike and rode again, even though he was scared. Now, years later, the bicycle looked broken, but it still held all those lessons. He realized he hadn't thought about his father in a long time. His father had passed away 5 years ago, and Adam still missed him deeply. Tears filled his eyes as he remembered those sunny afternoons when they rode together. He decided to fix the bicycle. He found an old toolkit, changed the chain, and cleaned the metal with care. Slowly, the bike began to shine again. It looked alive, just like those memories in his heart. When he finished, Adam smiled proudly. He pushed the bike outside and decided to take a short ride around the neighborhood. The air was cool, and the wind touched his face gently. For a moment, he felt like that little boy again, happy, free, and full of dreams. He passed by the park where he used to play. Children were riding their bicycles, laughing loudly, just like he once did. Adam stopped and watched them. He realized that time moves fast, but some things, like love and lessons, never fade. He whispered softly, "Thanks, Dad, for everything." Then he smiled and started pedaling again. Each turn of the wheel felt like a heartbeat, steady and full of life. And as he rode home, he understood something important. The old bicycle wasn't just a memory. It was a reminder that no matter how many times life makes us fall, we can always stand up and ride again.